Guangdong Huanlian Intelligent Packaging Group Company, Limited. Founded in 2013 and is located in Guangdong Province, China. After more than 10 years of development, our company has become a technologically leading smart packaging equipment brand manufacturer. A group company combined R&D, manufacturing, sales, and service together. Our company covers an area of more than 25,000 square meters and has more than 200 employees. There are modern production workshops, finished products workshops, office buildings, customer reception rooms, and employee living areas. At present, the company's main products include series of labeling machine, including round bottle labeling machines, flat labeling machines, double-sided labeling machines, cornering labeling machines, wire folding labeling machines, real-time printed labeling machines, folding box series, including aircraft box folding machine, lid and base box folding machine, buckle bottom box folding machine, spray glue box folding machine, bagging machine series, including prefabricated bags bagging machine, bag making bagging machine, automatic pumping vacuum bagging machine, M-bag type bagging machine, cartoning machine series, including tongue box cartoning machine, spray glue cartoning machine, buckle bottom cartoning machine, high-speed cartoning machine, clothing folding packaging machine series, single station folding packaging machine, clothing and towel folding packaging machine, and various automated intelligent packaging production line customization. Widely used for industries such as food, medicine, beauty, chemical, hardware, electronics. Our company has obtained a National High-Tech Enterprise Certification, ISO 9001 Quality Management System Certification, EUCE Export Certification, with more than 100 invention patents such as labeling machines, box folding machines, bagging machines, clothing folding packaging machines, etc. Our machines sell well in more than 50 countries including the United States, Europe, Southeast Asia, South Korea, and Japan. The annual sales volume is more than 5,000 units, and the cumulative services have exceeded 20,000 companies. We have a professional label printing workshop which can provide customers with label printing one-stop supporting services. We have large-scale parts processing centers, sheet metal processing centers, independent processing parts, and can be strictly controlled from raw materials, part processing accuracy, equipment assembly, and other links to escort the delivery time and quality of our equipment. We are centered on customers and serving customers as the purpose, supporting the national plus global door-to-door service model, and our after-service engineers go on business around the world. With reliable and stable products and considerate services, we have established cooperation with many international companies and listed companies. We take the mission of achieving unmanned packaging, customer first, with the goal of continuously creating value for customers, and is committed to becoming the world's leading smart packaging service provider. Huanlian Intelligent Packaging Group, make the packaging more intelligent.